This chart is going to help you with lesson 12.6 in Go Math for learning the metric units of length. So for a little story, you can think of the king right here. Let's look at this to kind of help you remember this. So just think of it as the king in kilo. Hector died unusually drinking chocolate milk. So the story goes that there was a king that loved chocolate milk, and he had lots of cows, and he fed cows a lot of chocolate, and he drank a kilo of the chocolate milk and died unusually. So that's where this little conversion chart kind of helps out. So if you think of kilo as king, hecto as Hector, deca as died, unusually as the unit, which can be meters, liters, or grams. He died unusually drinking as deci, chocolate as centi, and milk as milli. If you think of these to the right as these are the ones with the pretty eyes. You could say that they're the girls with the pretty eyes, and kilo, hecto, and deca are the guys, and they like to hang out to the left of the unit. The girls like to hang out to the right of the unit. Just a way to remember how you can set this up. If you write this format, king Hector died unusually drinking chocolate milk, whenever you're doing any kind of metric conversion, it can help you. Whenever you move to the right, you're going to multiply by 10. And whenever you move to the left, you're going to divide by 10. So let's say you had 3 decimeters and you wanted to find out how many millimeters there were. Every time you move, you're going to times it by 10. So 3 times 10 would be 30, and 3 times 10 again would be 300. So if you wanted to know how many millimeters there were in 3 decimeters, it would be 300. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, I'm going to share another chart right here that shows what this looks like. So if you look in this little box here, this is a centimeter. Okay, you can see that it's like a square. So centa actually means like 100. Now, deci means 10, or if you think of deci like a dime, that would be 10 cents. So a decimeter would be 10 of these centimeters. So if you count, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so here's a centimeter right here, and this 10 of these is a decimeter right here. Now, a meter would be 10 of these decimeters. So if you wanted to go, again, if we look at the king Hector died unusually drinking chocolate milk, here would be our centimeter right here. There's our centimeter right there. And decimeter would be 10 of those. So that would be 10 decimeters. Hopefully that makes sense. And then the next one is the unit. In this case, in 12.6, we are learning about metric units of length. A meter is a metric unit of length. So if you think of a meter as close to what a yard would be, it would be 10 of these decimeters would be a meter. Okay, so if you had 10 of these lined up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you lined these up end to end, that would be a meter. Okay, hopefully that helps shed some light on what metric units of length are. Remember, this is a centimeter right here, this box right here. Let me make it yellow. This is a centimeter. This is a decimeter. And a millimeter would be about that much. A centimeter cut into 10. Okay, so this little line here would be a millimeter. it's a centimeter cut in 10. So if you think about this, it's 10 millimeters would be 1 centimeter. Okay, good luck.